Have you ever wondered about the beautiful land above the cloud? The melody, the diversity created one of the unforgettable story. Can you imagine? This is the perfect gallery, knit perfectly the relation between coffee and woman. They are the creator of that perfect taste. Do you still doubt about this land? Enjoy your time with one of the big mammals, getting closer with endemic elephant in Sumatran. Take your time and feel this. One of the most famous traditional attraction you can enjoy. Created a diversity called Meriah harmony.